Alright everybody, welcome back to Smoking Swamp Outdoors. Alright folks, this video is going to be about, it's a quick idea for if you want to make like a trellis for like your cucumbers or something like that, because they're a vine, they travel. This is just a cheap DIY way you can make a trellis. I had a couple old poles here, one there, one on the end. And then I've got another one right there on the other row, and another one out here off to the left. Right there, you can see it. So I've got some paracord here. That's one picked up at the store. So the cheap way, spend a couple bucks if you have to just get some string, tie it up. So I'm gonna take this cord here, I'm gonna unravel it. I got those pipes, they're going down in the ground about, I don't know, 6 inches, 7 inches, so they're nice and sturdy. Wind and stuff isn't going to blow them over. I'm going to untangle all this stuff now. Alright, got the end of it, one end. Stuff like the tangle. I'm trying to fall over. Windy out here, y'all. There we go. Let's get it focused on one for right now. Almost got it. And I'll just do like 2 rows. I don't have much here. I've got like, I think 100 foot. And these are about 20 foot long, something like that. Give or take a little bit. Almost. Alright, there it is. Took a minute. So, if you have a pole or something, you can just wrap it around it, tie it. This one has got holes in it. So, what I'll do is just tie a knot. Got 2 little simple knots so don't go through. Just like that. Go all the way down. Make sure you have something to cut it with. Right about there. You want it a little bit taut, but nothing too crazy so it has a little bit of give. Do the same thing. That one ain't going through the hole, so I'll have to wrap it around it. Just like so. Boom. There's one. Couple knots, y'all. Ain't gotta be crazy, because remember, the plants will support themselves too. This is just to help train it and provide it some support. There it is. And then what I'll do is do the same thing down here. So this one's up on the top. I'm going to go about midway. So I'll go like right about here. Same thing. back. You got the knot in the line. Try to get the knot out so I can save as much of this cord as possible. Same thing, about midway. It's about the same height. There's one knot. Takes a little longer because they had to pull all that slack out. Just like that. Get my knife. Cut the slack. Show you what we got. Just a cheap way to train your cucumbers. There's a pole, 2 strings running all the way down. Take one on the top and then one towards the bottom. Run it in line, even with the row as much as possible. I try to do it right over above them. See, there's the plant. So, I hope this video is informative and give y'all a quick, cheap idea how to make you a trellis or a guide string, whatever you want to call it, for your vegetables. So hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.